will take 1 spoon of sabudana and see what happens. So it is called insoluble impurity. In the second glass, we will take 1 spoon of sugar and let's see what happens. It is dissolving. So, it is soluble